The Dumb Waiter by Harold Pinter. It was written in 1937 and first performed on 21st January 1916 Hampstead Theatre Club, UK. It is a comedy of menace, absurdist drama. Its setting in a small windowless basement room. Characters Wayne and Gus. Summary. The play presents two hired killers, Wayne and Gus, waiting in a basement room for instruction about their next job. At the beginning, Wayne is calmly reading a newspaper. Gus is restless, asking questions and trying to prepare tea. Their conversation appears trivial. They argue about phrases like put on the kettle versus light the kettle. Gus keeps questioning things when becomes irritated. The dumb waiter, a mysterious dumb waiter, food lift suddenly starts sending down food orders. The orders are strange because there is no kitchen in the basement. The men are confused but still try to obey orders. They even send up Gus snacks. They show they are controlled by an unknown higher authority. Rising tension. Gus becomes more questioning and uneasy. Wayne becomes stricter and more obedient. A message comes through the speaking tube. The target has arrived. Climax. Gus leaves the room briefly. The door suddenly opens. Ben points his gun, leading to kill. But Gus enters without his coat, tie, or gun. He looks like the intended victim. The play ends in complete silence with both men staring at each other. Important themes are power and authority. The unseen authority controls everything. Wayne follows orders blindly. Gus questions authority and becomes a victim. Shows how systems destroy individuals. Victim versus oppressor. Wayne oppressor, obedient, powerful. Gus victim, questioning, weaker. But both are actually victims of a higher power. Absurdity of life. Even events don't make logical sense. Food orders in a place with no kitchen, mysterious instructions, similar to Samuel Beckett's absurd play. Life appears meaningless and confusing. Breakdown of communication. Dialogue is full of repetition, misunderstanding, tribal argument. Language fails to create real understanding. Betrayal. Ben may be forced to kill Gus. Rejection of trust and partnership. Isolation. Closed basement. Isolation from the world. Characters are trapped physically and psychologically. Symbol. The dumb waiter represents high authority system. Fate shows how human obey blindly. Basement room, symbol of compliment, fear, death. Food order, assert demands of authority, show how meaningless tasks control people. Silence, very important Pinterest play. Final sense, tension, fear, realization. Style and dramatic feature, Pinterest style. Short, broken dialogues, pauses and silence, hidden meaning. Comedy of menace, mix of humor and fear. Audience laughs but feels uneasy. Realism plus absurdity. Realistic setting and dialogue, unreal and unexplained events, use of language, simple everyday talk language, and what reveals power relations and character differences. Character analysis when Gus, when dominant, calm, obedient, and represents authority follower. Gus, curious, nervous, questioning.